So hello friends, so welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you a demo of an application. Application will basically convert the data pertaining to the table into Excel format, and there is a button which do all the things. So when I click on the button, the function will collect the data from the HTML table and convert into Excel and upload to the Node.js server. So we'll show the demo, and in the next video we'll see the codes for all. So let's check the demo first.
So friends, you can see in the left side there is a HTML table and a upload button, and on the right side we have the node application. So you can see there is a public files. Whenever click on upload Excel button, it will create the Excel file of this data and upload inside this public files directory. So I will show you code for all in the next video. So currently we can see the demo. So uh, just let me click on upload Excel, and you can see there is a public URL of that particular file, and it is uploaded at this URL basically with the name this.xls. And on the right side you can see we have that file. So if we check that file by just revealing file explorer, you can see this is inside this folder, public files folder, and with the name of the same which we already seen on the alert. And when I click, you can see the all data inside this Excel. So this is the demo basically of that application. I will show you the code of this